Great question, Harish. So the Wing Chun stance helps you to draw pressure from the arms down into the legs. So you're not so rooted or seated. You've got a springy bounciness in the knees, like a springy sensation, which allows you to draw force through the arms and the upper body down into the legs. And that's not just static in one position, that's moving. So you can move anywhere with that position, with the actual stance and structure itself. So, it's not a static, rooted, like you're stuck in the ground feeling. It's a mobile condition. Josh, hold this for a sec. So actually aim it here. Yeah. So your knees and toes are bent, but you can still move. It's not. I'm not stuck in one spot. The toes point and target. They target the center of the other person, so you can defend and attack straight and direct towards them. But you're mobile and springy. So it's not so much a stuck in the spotness. It's a mobility based in the fundamental biomechanics that allow the force from that you make contact with. So contact with your arms or upper body, the force travels down through the legs. So you support the upper body with the lower body due to the shapes of the actual stance itself, due to the bend in the knees and the targeting to the center of the other person. So that allows you to draw it in. Then further, you target all of your mass into the other person, which helps you to unify your structure in a deeper way. So yes, you're not going to stay stationary. You want to be able to utilize your legs and the floor for power generation and be mobile as well.